potato chipotle sauce toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread egg recipes and one of the most unique of the sandwich recipes and one of the most different of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread recipes. Today we are going to make potato chipotle sauce toast sandwich. The ingredients are around 12 shallots peeled, around 6 to 8 baby potatoes peeled. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in 20 the shallots. Salt and the shallots in the pinkish color. Now put in the potatoes. With the rest of the mixture. Then salt paste. Mixing the salt with the potato shell. hot and mix. Put in, mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 20 minutes if in an open pan, and for 5 minutes if in pressure cooker. Now mash the potatoes. After cooking for 20 to 25 minutes, mash the potatoes into a thorough mixture. Now we have mashed the potato mixture nicely and thoroughly. This can be used to make a sandwich. Take around 8 slices of bread into the mashed potato mixture. Put in 200 grams of Chipotle sauce. Mix thoroughly. Take a slice of bread and apply the potato chipotle sauce mixture thoroughly onto it. Apply it evenly. Onto the whole bread. Put a slice of bread on top. Twist and press, twist, make a nice sandwich. Keep it aside. Take the next piece of bread. Take the chipotle potato sauce mixture and apply it evenly onto the bread. As earlier. Put the next slice on top and press so as to make the sandwich. Keep aside. Do this with the rest of the bread pieces. Now break in 2 eggs into the bowl. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml oil. Now dip the sandwich in the egg mixture. And put it onto the pan to fry. Turn it to the other side. Now turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Dip in the next egg mixture and put it to fry. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Repeat the same procedure with the rest of the sandwiches until all the sandwiches are nicely done. Put in the next sandwich after dipping in the egg mixture. And repeat the procedure. This is the final potato chipotle sauce toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the bread recipes, and one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes, and one of the most different of the bread egg recipes, and one of the most unique of the chipotle sauce recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the sandwich recipes, and one of the most nutritious of the potato recipes, and one of the most different of the bread recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.